Before we begin, take a deep breath. Place your hands over your heart. Close your eyes. Feel the soft hum of a distant star cluster. Not loud, not demanding, but gentle, like a lullaby you've known since before time. This song is not for performance. It is for recognition. For the star seed who suddenly tears up at the sight of the night sky. For the soul who has always felt different. For the heart that longs for a home it cannot name. Sing it softly, sing it in silence. Let it rise like mist from your chest. When you sing it, you are not calling the Pleiadians. You are answering their call. Pleiadi Nuviel Rah I, return to starry kin, where love begins within. 7 lights now call my name, awakening the heart's true flame. I reconnect with my Pleiadian soul family. The flame of remembrance rises. Kundalini flows in golden streams. Sophia's fire dances in beams. Masculine and feminine unite, burning shadows into light. The inner sun awakens through sacred union. Divine energy rises in harmony. Oh, Pleiades, call me near. Ease my pain, dissolve my fear. From the stars to earth below, your love returns where silence flows. Nuviel Rah I, Pleiadian. And from the field I now ascend. I am peace, I am friend. The Pleiadian current flows through me. I embody divine harmony. I walk as unity incarnate. Laile Talorin Kamirin, I return to ancient skies, where we danced on astral tides, hand in hand with stardust dreams. I awaken forgotten things. I return to my cosmic origin. The memory of unity rises within me.